Hey guys, WordPress video, what to do if you get this annoying white screen in WordPress after you have moved the website maybe to a new domain, or you just changed the hosting. You get this white screen with nothing on it, no error message and nothing, and this is quite annoying. Uh, let's take it step by step. First thing to check is your credentials, which is database name, username, password, and DB host. Most likely it is localhost. I'm having these credentials for WAMP, which is installed on my computer. You will need to add these lines of code in wp-config. I'll just leave them in the video description. The 2 ones here and 3 ones here. This is to display any errors, PHP errors. Be sure not to have something like wp debug false something at the bottom, because this will create a conflict. So put this in wp-config and reload the page, see if anything happens. If it's still a white page, then it's not from here. Actually, if you see any errors, you might think why there are errors. It is possible that on the old web host you had a different PHP version running compared to the one running on the new web host, and this is maybe easy to fix. Just go to the old web host, check the PHP version, and set the PHP version the same on the new web host. This might fix the issues. Also, you want to check error log. You can open it at Notepad, see any errors there. If nothing there either, maybe it's a plugin, so it's a good idea to go to WP Content Plugins and rename this folder to plugins 2, for example. Reload the page and see if anything happens. Also, you can just when reloading use a new private window. I'm using Firefox here. On Chrome, instead of the full white page, you get an error actually displayed in the middle of the screen saying something like error HTTP 500, but it's the same thing. What else you can do? Be sure to modify from WP options. This is the SQL database. These two values with the new website. If you just change the domain, if it's still the same old domain, you can just leave it as it is. Another thing I like to do is to just open the whole SQL database in this program Notepad++, which is free to use, free to download. It has find and replace, and if you have moved the website to a new domain, just put here the old domain, the new domain, replace in files, and actually it's this tab replace here, so old domain, new domain, replace all, and you're good to go. Just drop the old database and import the new one, but also make a full backup before doing any of this. And finally, if really nothing works, nothing as I said worked, you can just download a fresh copy of WordPress, but don't worry, you won't lose your content. You just need to rename the wp includes folder into wp includes 2, for example, and then just copy a fresh folder of wp includes from fresh WordPress, and then try to reload. You might see the website at that point. If really not even that worked, try the same with wp admin, and if you replace, for example, wp content, it will just replace some of your content, like the theme folder and so on, and you'll see a lot of new things. But that's like if really nothing works. Hopefully by this point you have managed to get rid of the white screen. If nothing works, just drop me a comment, and if I have time I'll just look at your website and give you my opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you have found this video helpful at all, please subscribe, because that will really help me. Thank you for watching.